Unit 3, Lesson 1, Energy. Big idea and essential question. The total energy of an object is the sum of its stored energy and energy of motion. Lesson 1, what are some forms of energy? Look at page 103. Objectives. I can identify energy uses and their sources. I can describe the uses of chemical and mechanical energy can be changed to other forms of energy. I can differentiate between potential and kinetic energy. I can understand that sound is a form of energy produced through vibrations. Set a purpose for reading. Engage your brain. Find the answer to the following question in this lesson and record it here. As we read through Lesson 1, think about the question, how does this person use energy to ride the river's rapids? Read pages 104 and 105. What is energy? Let's review. Draw lines to match each item on the left with its source of energy. You should have matched the rabbit with the carrot. It gets its energy from the carrot. The computer, the laptop, gets its energy from the wall outlet, from electricity. And the roses get their energy from the sun. Name something that uses electricity as a source of energy. Some examples are television, cell phone, and a microwave oven. Where does this toy get its energy? The toy gets its energy from a person winding it up. Turn to page 106. Read pages 106 and 107. Get moving. Let's review these pages. The objects in the left column have potential energy. Describe the effect that changing the potential energy to kinetic energy will have on an object. A ball sits on top of a hill. The effect would be that the ball rolls down the hill. A person stretches back a rubber band. The effect of that would be the rubber band shoots through the air. Someone gets ready to throw a paper airplane. The effect would be that the airplane flies. Read pages 108 and 109. Flash and boom. Let's review Do the Math. How far away was that lightning strike? As soon as you see a flash of lightning, count the seconds until you hear thunder. Then divide the number of seconds by 5. This gives you the approximate distance in miles. 35 seconds, if it were 35 seconds, it would be approximately 7 miles away. 20 seconds, it would be approximately 4 miles away. And 40 seconds, it would be about 8 miles away. Describe the flow of energy as each member of this musical group produces sound. A drummer makes sounds by striking the drums with the sticks. A sax player makes sounds by blowing air into the mouthpiece, making it vibrate. The guitar player makes sounds by plucking the strings on the guitar. And the violin player produces sounds by making the strings vibrate with a bow. Read pages 110 and 111. Energy is all around us. Let's review these pages. Look at the pictures. Label what type of energy each uses. The car would use electrical energy. We can see that it's plugged up using electricity. The light uses electrical energy. The leaf blower would use chemical energy. The radio is plugged up and it uses electrical energy. The lawnmower uses chemical energy. The tiki torch also uses chemical energy. And the grill uses chemical energy. Read pages 112 and 113. Energy can change forms. Let's review these pages. Changing energy. Draw a picture that shows another way that energy can change form. Share your picture that you drew with some of your classmates or with your teacher. An example of what you might have drawn is someone playing sports. Their body converts stored chemical energy into motion, which is mechanical energy. Turn back to page 103. Let's review the lesson. The lesson vocabulary for this lesson were energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy, and electrical energy. How does this person use energy to ride the river's rapids? The person that uses the energy of the water to move his kayak down the river. He also uses his body's energy to steer the kayak with his paddle. Complete Sum It Up on page 114. Let's see how you did. Sunlight falls on this plant, and sunlight is a form of energy. That's the cause. What would be the effect? The plant captures light energy from the sun and uses it to make food. In number 2, we have the effect. You can hear the beat of the drum. So what would be the cause of that? The drum heads vibrate to make sound, causing the beat of the drum to be heard by you.